This is Tracey from Mindless Crafting, and I'm here with part 4 of our Valentine card series. This is a really fun and easy card to make, and I have a few tips for you. So let's get started. So this week's color for me happens to be pink, but every week my favorite colors change, so I don't really have a particularly favorite color. And so I had some of my hearts. Great way to use up some scraps, right? So I have these hearts that I did from packaging, and then I have these arrows. And let me show you where the arrows came from. I had some Dollar Tree stickers, and one of the stickers had an arrow in it, but it was quite flimsy, the paper. So this was the sticker right here. So what I did was I actually put it on some of the packaging to make it more sturdy. And so then I thought, you know what, I can do that for any colored paper. So I decided to get out some of my scraps in the pink color, and I thought it would be nice to make a really cute card that I call Hearts and Arrows. So I'm going to take this paper, got some more here, great way to use up your stash, and I'm going to cover these with my scraps of paper. So if you ever have a lot of scraps in your stash and you want to kind of use them up, of course, I'm going to use this side. Just start adding some glue and stuff to it. And then just start covering them up with pretty paper. And you could always save these for later. So I'm going to do 2 hearts and 2 arrows. I'll just place that there. And since it's the stripes, I want it to go on all in the same direction. Do this one here. I love doing projects like this because I can just kind of use up my scraps and then start cutting. So all those little pieces of paper that you have, and it's really easy to cut out. A great way to use up your scraps because I don't like to throw away anything, but y'all probably know that by now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut these out, and I'll also cut the hearts out off camera, and then we'll start to put our card together. So this is what I have. Look how cute that is. Just like that. Now if you want, you don't want the white showing through or the packaging part, you can just take one of your markers and kind of cover that up. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Just to show y'all a few tips, right? So no one would know. Then here's another thing you can do. I've been really loving this ribbon from Dollar Tree. Let me show you what it looks like. It's a sticky ribbon. It's a glitter ribbon, and I got it from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to add that to here just to add a little bit of sparkle, right? So why don't I do that? It's a thicker ribbon, but when you cut it down, you can really use a whole lot of it. So it looks like this originally. I just cut it in half. So I'm going to just add it on here. And it's got that sticky backing, but I'm just going to put a little bit of art glitter glue there. And just stick it right on. I could stick it here, so it's up to you. And so there you have it. Okay, so look how adorable that looks. Look at that. And then we've got that, right? So imagine all the scraps you have, you can use your sticker shapes and cover them. Cover them with packaging. And this will add some dimension to the card too. So let me go ahead and put this on here. I love these colors, the light pink and the dark pinks, and I love mixing patterns. Okay, so that leaves a nice little border around this. Okay, and this is one of those cards you can mass produce, right? So I'm just going to have it like this. Just cut out a bunch of papers and just go for it. Okay. So look how cute that looks. Now watch what happens when I add this darker color to the lighter color. Look how pretty that looks. Something like that. Or you can go in the other direction like this maybe. You know, if you want to turn your card this way. Let me just show you just so you can see. You might want to do it like this. Maybe going like this in this direction. Like that. That looks cute too. Look at that. So just to give you different ideas of what you can do. But I am going to go ahead and do it like this. The heart on top. But who would know? This is just packaging, right? And then if you want, you can add more some mounting tape to it if you want. And of course, as you can see, I did do some stitching off camera just to add to my heart. So I'll bring it down just a little bit more there. Just leaving some room at the top because I think I might put that sentiment up there. I'm not sure yet. And right here, that's going to look really cute. And this one just up here. And it fits perfectly. Now I got to go look at my other Dollar Tree stickers and see what other shapes I can use as a template. So I'm always looking for new, interesting shapes. And you probably do the same thing too. Let's move this up just a little bit, just right there. Look how cute that looks. Now I could either take this and put it here, right at the bottom there, or I could take it and put it on the top here. So it just depends. Kind of liking it at the bottom there. But I am going to add something to this. This is from our this is a sentiment from our Valentine stamp set. You can use whatever sentiment you want. You can copy this idea and use it in another project, right? It doesn't have to be Valentine, it could be a birthday card. Okay. Just give it a little bit more so it can hang on there real good. And look at that. Look how much dimension that adds to it. And I don't want it that close up there. I'm going to put it a little bit further down, just not to cover up my heart. Look at that. Now let me see if I can find some gems to add here. I can have some little gems, 3 little gems right there. Just to add a little bit more sparkle. And if you want, you could add stuff in the heart there. Now, if you really just want to start adding more bling to it, you can. And look at that. Look how adorable that is. It didn't even take much time to pull that card together. Hoping that you can really see how cute this looks. Oh my goodness. Quick and simple card. And that is part 4 of our 5-part series. I hope you're getting some ideas from this. I'm going to send you the links below where you can get some of these things. And I will see you real soon. Bye.